Alright guys, today we are back with another virtual side-by-side shootout. Hopefully these videos turn out good. I do not know, I've yet to edit them. But at this point, if you've not seen the 4S race, go back and check out the 4S race between the Dominator and the Chaser 32. Now, I'm going against what everything I've said from the get-go. We're going to do this and we're going to do it right. I've got some 6S batteries that we're going to go ahead and put in the Chaser 32. That is a 4400 milliamp 70C roaring top 6S pack. We're going to be running the same battery in each boat with the same prop, very similar setup, 1650 kV, 1900 kV. Both of them have the same 4514 prop on it. Let's go ahead, get them in the water, get them all set up, and get this race underway. All right, let's race. Dominator's looking extremely clean, y'all. Looking extremely clean. Woo, almost my heart is beating out of my chest, y'all. The Chaser 32, I've yet to be able to mash it full throttle. Wide on that turn with the Dom. Three-quarter throttle. Anything more than that, almost a full throttle. It's out of control. The Dominator is absolutely hauling the mail. One more lap. Race over. All right, that's it. Running the Chaser 32 on 6S is really going to need some more adjustments. Now let's see what the Chaser 32 did as speed. See if y'all can see that. 53 miles an hour. So we got 53 miles per hour out of the Chaser 32. Let's go ahead and open this up first, check temps on this, and then we will check the temps and the speed on the Dominator. All right, no smoke, which is always an excellent sign. That motor, 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Check the Hydra X8S. 108, 117. Wires. Wires are at 127. So yeah, those wires are getting kind of hot. Let's check this 70C roaring top. 112, 109, 114. Brought it in at the perfect time, 3.83, 3.84. And as of the Dynamite GPS, we got 56 miles an hour. I've got the GPS up inside the hull since it's fiberglass. I wanted to make sure it was working. And we got 53 on this GPS. So slightly different numbers, but not bad. All right, let's check out and see what temps and speed and everything on the Dominator. See how that did. Let's see what the speed of the Dominator was. It says 48, but I doubt it. I'm going to say that probably did equally as fast as the Chaser. Sometimes we don't get solid GPS numbers, especially in shorter configurations. These WFly GPSs really like longer straightaways to get more accurate speed. Samples per second on this isn't as high as the samples per second on the Dynamite GPS. All right, let's open it up and check the temp. All right, no smoke. That's always a good sign. Let's see how this little 1900 kV rocket motor did. 108, not bad. Not bad at all. 107. Cooling jacket, 108. Wow. Remarkably cool. Remarkably cool. ESC 103. I bet you the battery's the hottest thing. 123. Yeah, oh boy. We were really feeding it to it. So one thing I noticed, and it may show in the video, after I would press more than about 3/4 throttle with this, you know, it sounded like it was cavitating. But what I noticed here, look, my stinger barrel closed up on me and it closed my gap up. So it doesn't look like it got hot, but I think after enough stress and enough pressure, it was pushing against the barrel. And I probably should have had a washer in between here. I only have one left that actually fits. I've got some I need to drill out, but I've always kept a really big gap there. But I guess somehow that barrel moved. Either that or the shaft slipped in the collet and pushed it up some. I just don't know. But that's kind of crazy. But yeah, I think that was an absolute killer run. Let's go ahead and check to see what the battery voltage is at. All right, so this one, 3.78, 3.77. So basically 3.8. We could have stopped it maybe one lap sooner. Maybe it wouldn't be as hot. She is quite warm. 125. I do not like seeing batteries get that hot. But that was an absolute fun run, fun virtual race between the Oxidean Dominator and the Delta Force Chaser 32. So if you enjoyed that video, make sure y'all hit that like button, help support this channel by subscribing, and I will see y'all on the next one. If you want to see more video content like this, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them in the comment section. We will see y'all out at the pond later. Peace.